Because you don't have the remote. Okay? Alright, bye-bye.
You're gonna stay here, you're gonna go over there.
Sound like it. He said, oh, okay.
Ooh, did you see that pretty purple apple? And then the sparkles in it. Ooh, look at that one.
That's cool.
And the blue.
That's cool. Doesn't even look like the missiles are going up. No. It's not.
No, it got hot again. It's like the wind died down. It's like the wind was blowing nice all day. And then stopped.
I'm skipping to this thing. I don't want to move. I guess we did pick a good spot.
Oh, yeah.
Christmas colors, man.
Like the photo.
We were supposed to be on that boat.
Yeah, Jason said Lisa effed up.
Look, they're taking their finale over there.
Yep. Put our finale in no time soon.
It will be, Jeanette. Who knows, Neil? Dang, you're really going over there.
Well, did you see that hard at first and then go?
Too bad they don't allow camping. Maybe it is.
Sure would.
You thought of that too? Wouldn't it, Auntie?
I'm pretty comfortable
What
right here.
freaking me out is how late it is.
I know, I haven't gotten bit by any of them.
Hey, let's not talk about it.
This is the grand finale.
That is slick. That's like a big tree.
Yeah, one of the weeping willows.
Dang. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh,
Whistlers.
uh-oh.
Night ain't over.
That's it, everybody, let's go home.
Look
No.
at all them people crossing that bridge.
And they're stopped.
We're gonna be going.
Woo!
There we go.
Grand finale.
That's it, you're done. Yeah! Now let's go. Get out of here.
We got what, an hour to get home even?
Ooh, that hurt my legs.
More than
They were
that.
all stuck. Now they hurt.
I don't want to get up. I just want to go to sleep.
No thanks. My legs are not
Well,
getting
yeah, hour to get out of
Yeah.
hour to get home. I got to babysit Lisa and get her back to her hotel. That's what's going to take the longest.
That was nice. We had 7 fireworks to watch.
Eight.
Yeah, 8. Yeah. Maybe, what do you want, Katie? Huh? What do you expect?
I don't have trees like
Have somebody- No, that's like that was pretty good. You can have my money.
Oh, so that's why Mike picked you up.
Yeah.
So we can get my ass